Welcome to the journey of renewal, where nature calls and lives anew. Together we'll learn, together we'll grow, embracing each blessing, let our spirits glow. In fields of green and skies so wide, organic choices with nature will abide. Food from the earth, pure and divine, reviving old habits, making them shine. Let's celebrate the rivers, the trees and the air. In harmony with nature, we show that we care. With knowledge and love, we'll share our find. A world that's connected, both heart and mind. From ancient times, the wisdom flows, worshiping nature where respect grows.